Hey, I'm Scott. Welcome to my Aldi kitchen. Today on our most recent trip to Aldi, we found this great flatbread. We decided that we were going to have some company over, and instead of doing pizzas, we're going to do a whole bunch of different types of flatbreads. So using everything that Aldi had to provide with us today, we're going to do a margarita pizza using some fresh cherry tomatoes, some fresh mozzarella cheese. We're going to use this great basil in a tube as well, some olive oil and some garlic. I think that'll be really good. We're going to try an Italian flatbread as well. We're going to use some mushrooms, some of these vegetables, these marinated vegetables, some marinara sauce. We also have some Italian sausage that we'll fry up and put on that as well. Another one that I'm really excited about is a prosciutto and pear and brie flatbread with a little bit of balsamic vinegar poured or drizzled over that. That should be good. And then we'll do one for the kids as well, which will be a crumbled Italian sausage and salami. So I think it's going to be really, really good. I hope you follow along with us today and you get some great ideas with these recipes. Thanks.